Mounting the bag, positioning and alignment. Locate the support cables or hanging hardware at the top of the holder. With the bag positioned near the holder, attach the cables to the designated lifting points on the bag. Make sure the connectors are secure. Use the hoist to lift the bag and guide it carefully toward the holder, keeping tubing and filters clear of all obstructions. Maneuver the bag into the holder until the main body is supported and allow it to settle. With the bag supported, route the bottom tubing, such as feed and harvest lines, through their designated openings. Ensure the lines are straight and free from kinks. Next, align the magnetic impeller housing at the base of the bag with the drive motor. Use the hoist for small adjustments and lower the bag gently until the magnetic coupling seats correctly. Once the tubing is routed and the impeller is seated, raise the bag smoothly to its final operating height. Make sure the film distributes evenly and that no ports are under strain. Try it. Mount and align. Mount the single-use bag securely and correctly in the support frame, then position the agitator shaft. Follow each step in order. Correct mounting of the single-use bag ensures proper orientation, even weight distribution, and secure attachment during agitation. Properly securing the filters and routing all lines prevents both misalignment during inflation and damage during operation.